Hello, good people. This is your guy, Mr. Educator, Mr. Communicator, Mr. Free Thinker, coming back at you live once again from the Lone Star State with another edition of the Media Mike Speaks. All right, good people. It is a nice, mild 71 degrees here in our Lone Star State, and we have at least 2 days before the big freeze. So, anyway, one of my subscribers sent me this story, and it does concern me. This is the second story regarding a Dallas County judge. This really concerns me, good people, especially this one. Now let's get to this, because in my professional opinion, I do believe there's some favoritism going on here, and we're going to talk about it. Dallas County family violence judge candidate charged with family violence. Let me repeat that. Dallas County family violence judge candidate charged with family violence. I guess she's practicing really what she preaches. Elisa Webb, 35, is running to be the judge of Criminal Court 10. That's who you saw in the thumbnail, which handles cases of family violence. She has worked for the Dallas County District Attorney's Office since 2016, according to her campaign website. Now, this woman is a family violence court judge who is now running for criminal court judge. She's a family violence court judge charged with family violence, but she wants to run to be a criminal court judge. I'm going to let you put two and two together. Now, let's get to the meat of this story. According to police, 35-year-old Elisa Webb is accused of assaulting a 32-year-old woman during an argument inside the victim's home on December 7th, 2020. So this is about 2 years ago. So it's taken 2 years for this to come to light on this situation. Now, police said after an investigation, there was enough evidence to charge Webb with assault, family violence, and misdemeanor. That concerns me. It should be a felony. State jail, probably, I would say. But a misdemeanor? Oh, must be a judge thing. Now, she is running. She's in November 2022 for Dallas County Criminal Court at Law 10, which handles domestic violence cases. The race is set to be decided by the Democratic primary. Okay, you just gave your candidate a really, really big head start, Your Honor. Now, according to court records, Webb was booked and released Thursday morning on a surety bond. She faces a charge of assault causing bodily injury, family violence from an incident that occurred on December 7th. And this is all a misdemeanor, and we're going to get to that. A spokesperson for the Dallas Sheriff's Department said Webb had already posted bond when she arrived at the jail and was booked. She was fingerprinted and a mugshot was taken, then she was released. Dallas police did not immediately respond to an email request for information and a copy of the arrest warrant affidavit. The Dallas Morning News reported Friday that according to the affidavit, Webb is accused of tackling her former partner to try and grab her cell phone. She tackled the woman? She tackled the woman? So we're tackling now? We are a defensive back for the Dallas Cowboys? Is that what we're trying out for? Okay. She tackled her former partner to try and grab her cell phone to see who she was communicating with as they were packing following a breakup. Your Honor, Webb, why should you care if you all are breaking up? Okay. Now let's get to it. The Dallas Morning News reported that the affidavit stated the fight about the phone continued as Webb and her former partner moved into the bathroom of the house. So, we are doing it Floyd Mayweather style, all the way from whatever area into the bathroom. There, Webb allegedly closed the door and once again tackled her former partner. She is really going out. She is going out for trials on this one, pinning her to the floor and pushing her head and neck against the heater. Now we're doing wrestling moves. All around athlete. Webb then reportedly gave up. Oh, Your Honor gave up and left the bathroom, but then attacked her former partner again in the living room. Okay. When Webb's former partner escaped to another room and locked the door, Webb used a broomstick to try and break through the glass of the door, police said in the affidavit, according to the Dallas Morning News. All of this, and we get a charge, good people, of a misdemeanor. She is charged with a misdemeanor. Membership has its privileges, I guess. Police also said in the affidavit that the former partner recorded a video on her phone during the attack in the living room and shared it with them. According to the Dallas Morning News, she also shared photos that were taken during the attacks, and a friend of Webb's former partner said she saw the woman's knuckles were bandaged and bloody a week after the fight. Technology works wonders, doesn't it? Along with the witness, too, which really helps. Now, also, according to the affidavit, Webb apologized to her former partner after attacking her and said she was out of her mind after the former partner said she was going to make a phone call, the Dallas Morning News reported. Police note in the affidavit that Webb does not have a history of family violence. Well, she does now, until now. According to the affidavit, Webb and her former partner had been in a relationship for 7 years. And in biblical terms, that is the magical, majestical number of completion. Now, Your Honor, Webb was a featured speaker at the Convention on Crimes Against Women in 2020. She should know. And 2021, according to her campaign website. Webb says on her website that she is running because she believes a family violence court judge should understand what those who come through the court have experienced. And Your Honor, you should know of all people. Yes, you know firsthand, and your victim too. Now, her quote here, good people: equity, efficiency, and expertise, and yes, you are an expert now, in the dynamics of dating and family violence are necessary to ensure all of Dallas County receives equal access to justice. Webb wrote on her website, I have a vision of addressing family violence that is centered on accountability through healing, providing dignity to survivors and those who offend. Like you, Your Honor. Yes, like you. Because you are really practicing what you preach. So, not all judges are like this, good people, just saying. But this is my edition, I think my third edition of When Judges Go Bad. Good people, you see, they took an oath. This would disappoint me. They took an oath to carry out the law. But this judge did. And she broke the law. She's breaking the very laws that she took an oath to uphold and carry out. But bear in mind, good people, she is an elected official. And if you can be voted in, you can be voted out. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section below, good people. Until next time, this is your guy, Mr. Educator, Mr. Communicator, Mr. Free Thinker. Subscribe, share, and like to keep me rocking on the mic. Have a good night.
Understand you soon, it won't be long.
Keep on, keep running.